Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your XRP, your Ripple trading informant. We will check together now what's going on with Ripple. Let's start. So this is the quick technical overview, and you can see for trading view on the daily, everything is telling us we should buy XRP. Summary, moving averages and the oscillators are on buy. The 4 hours, neutral, and the buy. The 2 hours, we should sell. And on the 1 hour, we should sell. So short time frame, we should sell XRP. Long time frame, we should buy it. We will check this now together, what's going on. This is the daily. Every candle here is 1 day. And if we see, this is looking really nice for XRP. If you're zooming out a little bit more, we can make some interesting stuff here with XRP, guys. First of all, I would like to show you the candlestick patterns. And this is, if you're zooming in a little bit more and more, this stuff for the moment. What can we see here? We saw here a bullish harami and a nice pump to the upside. Okay, now we see, or we saw a doji here and again a doji. So guys, a doji is for the most times a sign for a trend reversal. So this doji here on this big point was a sign, yes, a trend reversal, uptrend, and after the doji, down. Now we are again building. Maybe we have 15 hours time to close this candle. The next doji. This would mean, okay, this is the bottom. Maybe we are going now up again. We have to watch this. This is really important, guys. If you're zooming out a little bit more, and if we are turning off the candles, we can check the ribbon band. And our ribbon band is here with the EMA 200. We had here a nice fight with this EMA 200, and now we are over the EMA 200, but we're coming down again. But guys, I don't think that we are coming down again to retest this EMA 200. I think it's a really bullish sign for XRP now for the moment that we may go up again and again here. We will check this a little bit later. Let's turn off the ribbon band. It is a long position here, a long signal, and we have a green ribbon band as a support. Okay. Now check this one. If you're zooming out a little bit more and more, we can see the big thing started from this point. So guys, I'm trying to make now a parallel channel from this lowest point up to the upside to this spike here and to this point here. What can we see if we are zooming in a little bit more? First of all, yes, it's a green parallel uptrend channel. Let's zoom in a little bit more, and you can see this stuff, guys. We are fighting with the middle line. Yes, the middle line is really important here. This blue line here is now, for the moment, our resistance. I will make it as a red line. So this is a red resistance. You can see here the spikes to the middle line, the fight. Up again, the next fight down. Now we are retesting it, or we retested this middle line down again. XRP is reacting really nice on this middle line. It is now our resistance line, and we have to watch this for the first of all. That's the important stuff in my opinion, guys. Sorry for my bad English. Okay. What's going on now? What is the next stuff we have to watch? In my opinion, guys, we need to watch the Fibonacci retracement from the highest point here. This was the highest point down to the lowest point. This was this spike was lower. So let me check it here. Here we are. This is our Fibonacci retracement. And if we're zooming in a little bit more, we can see now very really interesting stuff. First of all, this Fibonacci line, we are fighting for the moment with this Fibonacci line. The price is about $1.06. It's the 0.382 Fibonacci line. We need to stay over this line if we will see more pump for XRP for the moment. If we will lose this Fibonacci line, we have some problems. Maybe we will check the next one. This is also really important. 0.85 cent. This is the 0.236 Fibonacci line. But for the moment, we are over this. We are still in the daily time frame, and we are for the moment over this Fibonacci line. Let's check the next thing. This is this Fibonacci line. This is the 0.5 Fibonacci at $1.23. We need to climb over this again. This is really important for the moment. Okay, this is the Fibonacci stuff. The next Fibonacci we can see if we are watching at the next levels. This is at this point $1.41, and the next is the golden pocket, the most important Fibonacci line. This is this point here. This is $1.65. These are the big targets to the upside. These are the big support zones to the downside. Okay, this is this stuff. Now, let's go to the indicator. Let's check the RSI, Relative Strength Index. What is telling us the Relative Strength Index? And yes, we saw an extreme overbought RSI here on this point, 85. You can see this was this spike and then down again. It was a perfect point to sell here on the resistance. If you're watching the RSI, you can see, oh, it was extreme overbought. If you saw this resistance, okay, I should sell. We are taking breaths now, and this is the big thing for the RSI, if you're watching on the RSI. Okay, let's check the next stuff. Let's check the MACD. What is telling us this one? MACD on the downside, we are still bullish. You can see it here after this nice little big leg to the upside. We saw always a bullish MACD and not a crossing. So the blue line is also over the brown line. We need to watch this. We need this. And if we will see a cross here, this would be a really bad sign, guys. Let's check the next thing. Crossing. Now, let's check the crossing. I would like to show you the indicator, the golden cross indicator, or the death cross. Golden and death cross. I will make this here as a favorite because it's a really important thing. Guys, look at this. We are on the daily. We saw here a death cross. On July the 18th, we saw a death cross and we are in the death zone. Yes, I know, guys, it's a really low and lagging indicator. We saw a big dump and then the death cross, but it's really important to watch this as long as we are with the green line here under the red one. This is the 50, this is the EMA 200. We are in a bearish death cross zone. We need a golden cross for a new breakout. And you can see now the green line is coming up to the red one. Maybe we'll see the next cross here in the next few days, or maybe at end of or beginning of September like this here. It's possible to see a new golden cross, but for the moment, attention, we are in the death cross zone. And if we are zooming out a little bit more, we can see something interesting also. We are still in the 1-day time frame, and this is the parallel channel from the highest point over this point here to the downside. So this one is our downtrend channel. Yes, okay, we have now an uptrend channel. This is the big uptrend channel, and we are still nice in the uptrend. But we are forming now in this uptrend a downtrend channel. And here is the next stuff. This middle line is acting as a support. I hope that we can continue. I hope that we can break out from this downtrend here. I hope that we can break out over the middle line. This would be really bullish, but for the moment we are still working in this downtrend. Okay, now let's go in the 4-hour time frame and let's watch this. 4-hour time frame, you can see the spike down to our Fibonacci, this big spike to the downside. This is for the most times a nice signal, guys. If you are watching wicks with a big wick or a candle with a big wick to the downside, this is a positive thing for moving to the upside. You saw here a lot of big wicks to the upside. This was a negative thing, a bearish thing. We fall down. Now a big wick to the downside, it's a positive thing. And guys, look at this. Also on the 4-hour time frame, we have a death cross and a golden cross. And if you're watching this here, you can see we had here a death cross. Now we had here a golden cross, and after this golden cross, we saw a really big pump to the upside from 62 cents. We doubled XRP to $1.20 or $1.30 here. Okay. So on the 4-hour, we had a golden cross and we have the green line over the red line. This is bullish in the 4-hour time frame. On the big time frame, it's not so bullish, but on the 4-hour, it's bullish. Let's remove the golden cross. No, we don't need to watch it anymore. And let's check the candles. The candles on the 4-hour are not so important as the candle in the 1-day, but if you are trading this stuff, guys, you can see this is really interesting. You saw here the bearish harami. The bearish harami showed you, okay, guys, let's sell. We are here with a bearish harami, we should sell. Now, let's watch this. We saw here a bullish harami, and this told you, guys, nice. Let's make a long position here. Bam, it was a fake. It's going down again. Now we again built here a bullish harami. This is a nice sign. These haramis are working really often, not always, but really often. Look at this bullish harami sign. If you bought here, you made a nice leg to the upside, really nice. Here again, now we are having the next bullish harami, and now maybe we are forming a doji. It's flashing now. You can see it. A doji is also a really nice signal for a trend reversal. You can see it here. We're going down, made a doji, and then to the upside. Down, we are now forming maybe a doji and the next nice leg to the upside. It's really possible that this one is the bottom now for XRP, and we are building the next leg to the upside. We can check also one thing, guys. I would like to show you. This is a little longer video today, not a 5-minute turbo analyze as always on Bitcoin, but it's really important now, I think, if you are trading XRP. Let me check this, guys. Let's remove here all these drawings. And guys, watch this, please. Maybe we saw here a nice little 5-wave upgoing theory to our highest point at $2, nearly $2 here. Then we saw a correction. This is a normal thing for, let me check, maybe like this. This was a A, this was a B, and this was the lowest point with C. This was our ABC correction. If this is correct, we will see now a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upgoing wave for Ripple, for XRP. Maybe from the lowest point here, this was 1, this was 2, maybe 3. Now we're going down 4, and the nice big leg to the upside. This is a thing we have to watch. Where is the next leg to the upside? So it's possible to see something like this for Ripple if we are trading XRP. This is maybe a nice thing to watch. Where is the big zone now to the upside? Okay, guys, let's check this. Let's zoom out a little bit more. And in my opinion, we should make this stuff here again. Let's remove this and let's turn on this one. Where is the big leg to the upside? In my opinion, this is the $1.65. This is the next big fifth leg to the upside. It's the golden pocket here. You can see it here. XRP is reacting here really nice. Here it's backed over, here it's backed over, and then down. So this is, in my opinion, one of the biggest targets now for XRP. Maybe we can break out of this middle line. Maybe we can break up over this Fibonacci line, and maybe we can break up to $1.65. In my opinion, this is possible. This is maybe the next thing to the upside. I hope we can break this downtrend channel and make a nice leg to $1.65. Guys, this is the overview for XRP. A lot of things I can tell you here, but I think this is the most important thing. You need to know the targets to the downside, the supports $1.06 and 0.85 US dollar, and the next leg maybe to this point, $1.65. Okay, guys, if we can break $1.65, if we can break to the last high, this is a really big support also at $1.96, near $2. Where is the next target maybe? Where is the next thing we can watch? And this is also interesting, guys. If we can break out from our uptrend channel, it's possible. Depends always where we will hit this line. This is now a magic glass reading, guys. $2.30 maybe. The next stuff is this one. This is at $2.87, 86. This is our Fibonacci line, 1.618. This is the next stuff. If we can break out from this point, this is the next thing we have to watch. So these are the big targets you have to watch for XRP. This is the Analyze for XRP. Thank you very much for watching, guys. And please follow me, come into my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. Here it is. Bitcoin Trading Informant is my name. You can check here everything for Bitcoin and so on. And you can see on the downside also BNB, ADA, XRP, and so on. And guys, I have this nice live stream. If you are trading XRP, I have here a really nice live stream with 9 cryptos. Here is the 1 hour time frame. So every candle here for each crypto is 1 hour. And if you are trading XRP, you can use this on the down right side. You can see here the buy and the sell signals. They're working really nice. You can see the ribbon band, and you can see on the 1 hour we are fighting with the EMA 200. This support is holding for the moment. So if you would like to buy in at $1.10 for the moment, you can make a buy in here for the next buy signal, waiting for the next buy signal, and make a buy in, and maybe this was the bottom and you go to the upside. Guys, this is this stuff. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings, your XRP Trading Informant, and the name here of the live stream is Crypto Trading Informant. This is my live stream on Twitch and on YouTube also, guys. 24 hours, 7 days a week. See you, yours Biti, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Bye bye.
System activated.